Gentlemen, I have a question for you. Have you ever felt frustrated because your erections aren't as firm as they used to be? Or maybe you've noticed stamina slipping and you just can't seem to stay in control as long as you'd like? If you're over 60, this is incredibly common. But let me be very clear. Common doesn't mean hopeless, and it certainly doesn't mean that your intimate life is over. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and for the past 7 years, I've helped men reclaim their confidence, vitality, and control naturally. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple 3-minute daily exercise that can strengthen your pelvic floor, improve blood flow, and help you achieve firmer, longer-lasting erections. Before we dive in, take a moment to comment below. Where are you watching from, and what's your biggest challenge with intimacy right now? Sharing your experience not only helps you stay accountable, but also helps other men in our community. And while you're at it, hit like and subscribe. This channel is packed with practical, science-backed tips for men over 60. Here's the thing. Most men don't realize how much their pelvic floor muscles impact erections. These unsung heroes support your bladder, bowels, and yes, your erectile function. When these muscles are strong, everything works better. When they weaken with age, blood flow slows, control diminishes, and confidence drops. Think of your pelvic floor like the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the structure wobbles. If it's strong, everything on top performs at its peak. And here's the kicker. You don't need expensive devices, pills, or gimmicks. Just 3 minutes a day, done consistently, can give your body the boost it needs. Many men think, exercise won't change my erections. I can't increase size or strength naturally. Here's the truth. You can't increase anatomical size, but you can maximize the health and performance of the system you already have. Firmer erections, better control, improved stamina, and enhanced sensation, all completely achievable with the right daily routine. Over the past 7 years, I've treated men from all walks of life, businessmen, retirees, even professional athletes who struggled with frustration, embarrassment, or loss of confidence in the bedroom. The men who made the most progress weren't chasing pills or supplements. They were the ones who built small, consistent habits that supported blood flow, nerve health, and pelvic strength. Here's the exciting part. The routine is just 3 minutes a day, broken into 3 steps. You can do it anywhere, at your desk, in your car, or watching TV. But first, a quick warning. The details matter. Incorrect technique can reduce the effectiveness or worse, cause strain. So let's go step by step. Step 1, the slow hold, 1 minute. Before we begin, did you know one simple contraction can improve blood flow throughout your entire pelvic region? That's exactly what the slow hold does. How to do it. Identify your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine stopping the flow of urine midstream or holding in gas. Lift upward gently, not down. Hold the contraction for 3 to 5 seconds. Fully relax for the same amount of time. Repeat 10 to 12 times. Biological explanation builds muscle endurance, improves blood circulation to the penis, strengthens veins for better blood retention, venous occlusion. Emotional effect provides a sense of control, reduces performance anxiety, giving confidence that your body can cooperate. Practical tip, avoid tensing your abs, glutes, or thighs. Breathe normally, don't hold your breath. Step 2, the quick flick, 1 minute. What if I told you you could train your body to respond faster during intimacy with just 1 minute of exercise? How to do it? Rapidly contract and release your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine flipping a light switch on and off. Focus on quick contractions followed by full releases. Continue for 1 minute. Biological effect. Trains fast twitch muscle fibers needed for reflexive control, improves nerve signaling, making erections more responsive, enhances coordination between muscles and nerves. Emotional effect, builds confidence for spontaneous intimacy, helps you stay present, calm, and controlled. Practical tip, keep movements small and controlled. Focus only on pelvic floor. Other muscles should remain relaxed. Step 3, the endurance hold, 1 minute. This one exercise builds stamina that could literally transform your erections over time. How to do it. Contract your pelvic floor and hold as long as comfortable, 10 to 15 seconds to start. Fully relax between sets. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Biological effect, strengthens veins and muscles to trap blood, improves ability to maintain firm erections, supports nerve function and sensation. Emotional effect, reduces anxiety about finishing too quickly, builds long-term confidence in intimacy. Practical tip, increase hold time gradually, maintain full relaxation between sets. You might be wondering, why just 3 minutes a day? Here's the science. Strong pelvic floor muscles act like a pump during an erection, pushing blood into the penis and holding it there. This is called venous occlusion, essential for firmness and duration. Stronger muscles equals better blood retention, equals firmer erections, equals more control, equals increased confidence. And there's more. Strong pelvic floors also improve bladder control, reduce dribbling, and even help with premature ejaculation. Pushing down instead of lifting, holding your breath, engaging other muscles, abs, glutes, thighs. Overtraining, more is not better, stick to 3 minutes. Ignoring persistent issues, consult a doctor for pain, urinary problems, or erectile difficulties. Adding retention boosters. Pair exercises with hydration. Blood is mostly water and dehydration reduces flow. Add hip stretches and gentle movements to improve circulation. Take short breaks from sitting every hour to reduce pelvic congestion. Gentlemen, this isn't just about erections, it's about confidence, independence, and quality of life. When men stick with these exercises, they often notice firmer, longer-lasting erections, better control over climax, reduced anxiety, enhanced overall energy and vitality. It's not magic, it's your body remembering how to function at its best. Here's your challenge. Start this 3-minute routine today. Combine it with a balanced diet, cardiovascular activity, and good sleep. Take it seriously, and your body will respond. Remember, age is not a limit. It's an opportunity to build strength, stamina, and confidence naturally. If this video helped you, subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. Your best years are not behind you. They're ahead, waiting for consistent action and care. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, and I promise, small, consistent habits can restore your control, confidence, and intimate health. Start today. Your body is capable of more than you realize. Comment. Where are you watching from? Like and subscribe for weekly men's health tips. Share with someone who could benefit.